It's a 2013 Lexus LS460. From the powerful engine supplying breathtaking performance to a luxurious cabin filled with comfort and convenience features, this is a luxury sedan that offers an unmatched motoring experience. Features include streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, driver memory seats, V8 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Car and Driver explains, from the brand's inception, Lexus has captured a profitable portion of one-percenters who shun ostentation and appreciate quality. A mission spearheaded by the LS, judging by its long list of luxury features and the lineup's overall serene character, this latest flagship will maintain the status quo. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.